Okay, good morning students. How are you? All are you doing well? Okay students, so today we will start our new lesson, that is clothes we wear. Okay, and that is lesson 8 and page number 59. Okay students, so from this lesson we will learn about the clothes that we wear. Okay, so students, before we go to the this lesson, let's see what are the objects are there that we learn from this lesson. Okay, the first objects that we learn from this is, why do we need clothes? Okay, why do we need clothes? Okay, and then the second thing we will learn from this lesson is different types of clothes. Okay, first thing, why do we need clothes? Second one is different types of clothes, and then the third one we will learn clothes for different season and a different occasion. Okay, clothes for different season and for different occasion. Okay student, and then there will be the quickly once more, that is review, and then the finally we will do the exercise. Okay student, so these things we will learn. So today we will cover up to different types of clothes. Okay, so today we will cover up to different types of clothes. Okay students, now so let's start. Okay, why do we need clothes? Okay, we need clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain and dust. Clothes make us look smart. Okay student, the first question is, why do we need clothes? Okay, so the answer is, we need clothes to cover our body. Okay, to cover our body. Why we need to cover our body? We need to cover our body to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and dust. Okay students, so why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body, to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and dust. Okay, so students, clothes only not only it's protect us, but also it's make us smart. Okay, have you seen the sometime when we go to the village, some know that street children, even in a town, no, street children, they don't wear clothes because they don't have clothes, isn't it? And so it's look very uncomfortable for them, isn't it? But when we wear the clothes, it make us smart, isn't it student? So we need clothes to cover our body. Why we need to cover our body? To protect our body from heat, cold, rain and dust. Okay students, so question if comes, why do we need clothes? The answer will be, we need clothes to cover our body, to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and dust. Okay students, so this is the answer. Okay students, do you know one more thing? Long time ago, people used to cover themselves with leaves and animal skin. Yes, students. Now we have developed people have developed many things. Okay, and now we have clothes. But in those days, long years ago, there were no industries. Okay, people were not that much. They did not invent so many things. Okay, and so that time the people used to cover their body with the leaves. Do you know leaves like banana leaves, and which leaves are very big, isn't it? And big, and some leaves are very strong. Okay, so they use that leaves to cover their body, and also sometimes they use the animal skin. Yes, do you know animal skin also they use for protect themselves? Okay, to cover their body. Okay, students. So do you understand? What is the history of clothes? Clothes long years before that people used to cover their body with the leaves and the skin. And the question is, why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body, to protect our body from rain, cold, heat and dust. Okay student, so I think you have understood. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, different types of clothes. Okay students, there are different types of clothes, isn't it? We wear clothes according to our gender. Okay, look at here. Boys and girls, okay, both wear the same colors, but the cloth has a different style. Okay, now you can see boys and girls wear different types of clothes. girls like to wear skirts and the top and the frock. Boys like to wear shirts, suits and trousers. Okay students, you can see here that both boy and girls, they have wear the different types of clothes. Okay, so girls, they like to wear that what skirt and then the tops and the frocks. Okay, so you can see here in a picture, and the boys, they like to wear shirt or the suits or the trouser. Okay student, so for the girls have a different dress and the girls have a different dress. Even and the father and mother. Okay, father and mother. My mother wears a saris at home. My father wears a shirt and trouser to go to office. Okay students, now our moms, especially our moms, what they wear? They wear saris. Okay, they wear saris, and our father wear shirt and trouser, isn't it student? So that is the different types of clothes. So different types of clothes means we wear the clothes according to our gender, okay, and also according to our culture. Okay, in India we have a different types of varieties type of culture. Okay, we are very rich in a culture, and that's why we have a different style clothes. Okay, fashion clothes, like Bengali has a different, Marathi have a different, and then the Tamil have a different. Okay, isn't it student? So we have a different culture and different types of clothes, but the main thing is we have a two different types of clothes, that is for the male and the female. That means according to the gender we have a clothes. Okay student, so I hope you understood. Okay, so let's go for the today homework. Okay students, now page number 59, there are the some pictures are given in a dotted, so you have to color it, and then after coloring it you have to fill in the blanks. You have to complete the names of the names of the clothes. Okay students, and then go to the 61. Okay, 61, that is 61 in last page. Okay, there is a one missing letter that you have to complete it, and then 62, page number 62. Okay, 62, that you can see here. There is activities time Anu and Parth. Okay, so they are going to wedding party. So now what you have to do, you have to choose the color and you have to do it. Okay, you have to color it, then you have to send it to me in my personal number. Okay student, so this is your homework. Okay, remember page number 59, 61 and the 62, that coloring. Okay student, so this much for today. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye bye, thank you.